You're the only one that's winning or the only one that's quitting. So get up and stay committed, don't be asking for permission. Hit the gas after ignition and start acting like you're winning. Make your own damn decisions, don't let others make you victims. Have a thought and have a vision, don't get caught up in the millions. Yeah, I'ma make this shit high. Oh, I'ma light the shit up. Yeah, I'ma make this shit high. Oh, I'ma light this shit up. I got this, I'm on it. Give me 5 years and I got what I wanted. I'ma go ahead and finish all that I started. I'ma go ahead and get it all uncharted. I can make this place go off like a rocket. I can give a fuck if you hate it or you love it. I don't do this shit cause I think that you're on it. I just do this shit cause I know that I want it. I could give a fuck if I die today. If I'ma go out, it's my fucking way. At least I'll go out with some pride to my name. With the fight, not a play, that's my fucking way, ho. Y'all can sit back and think you are the best of me. I can guarantee that you haven't seen the rest of me. I can guarantee that this shit's gonna be my destiny. And I will never sleep till I make it, then I'll rest in peace. Yeah, I'ma make this shit high. Oh, I'ma light this shit up. Yeah, I'ma make this shit high. Oh, I'ma light this shit up. The best, you fucking with the facts. Yeah. I don't even know what else to say. Let that 808 right out though. Yeah. I got this, I'm in it. I'm hella filthy, so I got this, I'm winning. I'm not a quitter, so I'm not fucking quitting. Just try to stop me and you'll drop dead missing. I'm on my way to the top now, listen. I ain't never gonna stop, too driven. I ain't never getting lost, got vision. I'ma make this shit hot, ignition. Yeah, don't give me facts, not fiction. Then you know I fucking listen, cause I'm on a fucking mission. Man, you got to be driven, cause this world is unforgiving. You're the only one that's winning or the only one that's quitting. So get up and stay committed, don't be asking for permission. Hit the gas after ignition and start acting like you're winning. Make your own damn decisions, don't let others make you victims. Have a thought and have a vision, don't get caught up in the millions. Yeah, I'ma make
Hello, perlok bro. Well, let's start. Apa? Belum tuh ke stream. Wah, tan. Kamera stream apa? Stream lah.
The night sky tells all.
Tu lah mi. Hello, perlok bro. Kamu phía lòng.
To me.
Kamu phía lòng bro. Kamu phía lòng. Senulut bro kinang pitkai. Kamu ta tang nyongut tak sengi. Senulut. Up ngan update tu mah. Ngan update live chat ka match. Limbrum versus Yamete
My pleasure.
M1K. M1K.
I'm bound
Tuh,
by
đây.
nothing, be it family or destiny.
Tuh, cái này cái match chúng ta mà first match.
Only love
This is the first
at
match
night
for the day.
are everlasting.
Today is day 6, right? Day 6 of group stage. We have the first match here. We have between Limbrum and Yamete M1K. So I'm not going to say Yamete M1K. I'm just going to say in short M1K. Okay, M1K. On the left side we have Limbrum and on the right side we have Yamete M1K. Okay, we have one supporter already from for Limbrum. Gonna be gym ta 940. Okay. So Abshwa the Inasuki dan
Also succumb to my power.
oh ada Tumlam chiro. So we have Atlas and 1-1 being banned from team Limbrum, and we have Karina and Esmeralda being banned from M1K. So we have Bhushan, Belerik and Kagura, 3 picks from Limbrum. So we have Cecilion, Dairot and Kufra, 3 picks from M1K. So last 2 picks coming in from both the teams here. So now we're going to see the last ban. So we have Julian and Beatrix being banned from both the teams. So welcome each and every one of you to the stream. We've got 7 total viewers. We've got 9 or 7. Okay, so welcome to each and every one of you who are watching. So it's my humble request to each and every one of you to please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. You can also share the stream because this is the first match of the day. So we still have 3 more matches after this. So if you share the stream right now, then more viewers are gonna come and they're gonna join, and they are going to enjoy the stream together with us. So we have Xbox and Plot. Okay, we have Xbox and Plot, the second and last pick for team Limbrum. And we have Clint, 4th pick from M1K. Luna Goku. Okay, hello Luna, hello. Hola. Ngalawan ang mic, yes, ngalawan. Check, mic, check. 1, 2, 3, mic, check. Okay, we have Ruby, the last pick from team M1K. So the full name of M1K is Yamete M1K. So I'm just gonna say M1K. Okay. So now the match is starting within 3 seconds, and we have on the left side we have team Limbrum, and on the right side we have team M1K. So which means blue team will be Limbrum and red team is going to be M1K. Steven K. Quack. Kalahan Steven lah kalahan mo lah kalahan Steven uang quack uang kibido FTW good luck ya bro kibalik kai kibido FTW Steve jajai shbit mo oh Steven dan game MPC menta. So we have Hyper Bhushan from team Limbrum and M1K we have a Dairot. So let's take a look. We have Kufa Tang from M1K and we have Belerik Tang from Limbrum. Mark Brandon ba Goku la dat mas pada mas bro nga pada mas ngam tibram takas ngi so perang ngam takas ngi dalong khnang him nri mama kapur shaban stream ngasi bam lupa nriam takas ngi kor bakili ma phi hiam pada bam bra ngam than bra ngam try ngasa bam shibet lakur ka stream kum to khat waste tang so we have a player which is Belleric along with Legion. They are trying to take this minion here in the game, and let's take a look. Oh, there is only a first blood from team M1K. It's going to be a second blood for M1K. It's going to be a third blood. Okay, I'm going to increase the screen. Zoom out the screen, I mean. So let's take a look. We already have 2 kills for team M1K. Do la noob la noob hanala shu only sup tharai. Ni pisiale la ya tebet baha. Ni amateur sudah 5 months players. Okay, we have a gang coming in from Kufra along with Clint. It's going to be a fight against maybe Claude. Yes, it's Claude, and there's a charge coming in from Kufra. It's going to be a kill. There it is. Claude has been taken down by Clint. So we have Dyros also trying to join in the fight, but Claude has been taken down early. So we have Xbox along with Ruby in top lane. Ni 1 hour's players to the Do blank Philbert. Hello bro, come no long. So let's take a look. I'm going to see a team fight again from both teams. It seems like Team Limbrum are going to be in a very bad situation right about now, because 3 kills already in total for Team M1K. So let's take a look. Another charge, and Flynn is going to go down, it seems, but he managed to flick himself back into the turret side, and we have a charge against Turtle from Team M1K. They already have the lead regarding goal and regarding those kills, so now they are being positive in taking that turtle. So it's going to be the first turtle maybe. Okay, there's a first turtle for Team M1K, which is Dyrot managed to take down that turtle. So it's going to be 4 players from Team M1K trying to go with a full charge. It's going to be 1 player down, which is Belleric from Team Limbrum, and Xbox very low in HP. He's being charged again by Team M1K, but he still managed to escape from the fight, and Team M1K, they are backing out from the fight, and they're trying to spread out into their own positions and into their own lane. So we have Ruby back in top lane. We have Dyrod still trying to take down those buffs. And are we going to see a rotation? Okay, another rotation coming in from Kufa against Claude, but Claude managed to flick himself backwards again, and Kufa is gonna wait for the right moment. He's gonna use his first skill again, and we have Siciliano who's gonna join in the fight. There's a charge coming in from Kufa, but he missed his first skill against Claude. So Claude still managed to survive that gang coming from Team M1K. So now we're going to see a rotation coming in from Belleric as well. But we have 4 players altogether from M1K. They are exposing themselves against Limbrum, and Limbrum, we already know that there are players from Team M1K in the jungle. So we have Clint trying to take some damage against that bottom lane turret, but now he's gonna fall back, and he's gonna try to make the Team Limbrum to spread out their positions. Lol Steven, chol ya surrender jo kapor Marson sedang ngalek kai Layla Hyper. Okay, that's another kill for Dyrot. Dyrot managed to take down. That's the first kill at least for Team Limbrum. They managed to take down Clint. Yes, they managed to take down Clint, and we have Xbox trying to take the fight with Ruby in top lane. Both these players having a very tough shield right there, so it's going to be very hard to take them down, and it's a very good lanes for both those players. And now we have M1K with the second turtle. Now they are already on the lead with 3000 gold, and Limbrum, they have to watch out for Team M1K for late game, because they are already on the lead. So ngile kai lela player KB do Team IU KB khasi barbarian ho do jai thoma what yan tan. Oh, there's a charge coming in from Claude against and there it is. Kufa has been taken down, And another kill. That's a double kill for Claude. Oh, what a suicide for M1K. They are trying to take down the turret, and they still managed to take down turret, but at the cost of 2 heroes. So there it is. A kill. Oh, Gushan, I thought he's gonna get a kill against Cecilion, but he missed. And Cecilion with 2 HP still remaining, and it is still surviving. So she's gonna teleport back to base, I guess. Yeah, she's gonna teleport back to base and gonna regenerate HP and gonna join in the fight back in mid lane or maybe in bottom lane, because Khufra is right here trying to give some visions for his own teammates. Jajayu tamo shibit tangman kill creep through Arta Tien tamo ngiban yo. There's a charge coming from Khufra and another kill. Claude has been taken down. Of how many times Claude died? Claude died for 2 times, and Ruby has been taken down in top lane right here. So we have 4 kills for Team Limbrum. Now they are trying to equalizing regarding the kills for Team Limbrum. They are trying to play wisely, especially for Team M1K being on the lead. Now they are trying to play wisely. They are not trying to give so much, too much kills for Team M1K. So we have 2 kills, another 2 kills for M1K here. So they are trying to play aggressive here. They managed to take down mid lane turret, and they are trying to push aggressive against Limbrum, and there is invasion for blue buff from Team M1K. So now they are trying to go for the third turtle here, and it's going to be third turtle for M1K. So there's no disturbance coming in from Team Limbrum, and there is Belleric, only player, but that turtle has been taken down by Team M1K, and there is Belleric. Ooh, Belleric losing its HP pretty fast, and he's been taken down by M1K squad. There is we have a total of 10 kills for Team M1K. There is bottom kill from Claude against Clint, and Claude, he's trying to dominate. He's been killed too much in the early game, and now he's trying to dominate himself in bottom lane. Ni player ni by sudah nyan hana buan kasha nyan ni tebit bah krem parsi mana ba krem parsi. So let's take a look at all the builds, or maybe we are trying to take a look at the charge coming from Khufra first. Okay, they are falling back from the fight. So we have Tyrod managed to take down Gushan in mid lane. So M1K already with 11 kills, and there is going to be a kill for Xbox. No, Tyrod managed to escape from that shot coming from Xbox, and Xbox has been taken down by Khufra. Okay, 5/13. Let's take a look at all the builds here. These are the builds for both the squads. So we have Claude with the highest goal for his own squad, and we have Tyrod, highest goal for Team M1K. So we have a fight and invasion. Oh, direct invasion coming in from Team M1K, and he managed to take down 2 heroes, which is Belleric along with Gushan. So they are trying to invade buff again. We have 1 hero very low in HP, which is Tyrod. There will be able to take down Xbox, and Xbox is getting low with 3 players from M1K. He's struggling there in a fight with 3 players, 1v1 or 1v3 against M1K, and he's been taken down very easily. So now with 16 kills for M1K and 5 kills for Limbrum. Limbrum, they have to play wisely, otherwise they are going to get pushed, and they are going to be taken down, or maybe wiped out is going to come in from M1K at this stage. So Limbrum have to watch out for all those rotations coming from M1K, especially Khufra. He's always on time, especially for rotation and ganking up those heroes against Gushan and Claude. He's always on time regarding those invasion for buffs, which is a very big problem for Team Limbrum. They always have to protect those buffs, and the only disadvantage is that from the early game they miss 3 turtles, and it's going to be pretty hard for them to dominate the late game. So we have Kagura has been taken down, but she still managed to take down 1 player with her, and Ruby has been taken down for M1K. So Dreya, my boy, sorry bro, I'm late. No problem, bro. We always sometimes not all players are always on time, so sometimes we have to work, sometimes we came home late, and there's no problem for coming in late to the stream. Sup Rich, sup bro. Okay, let's take a look. It's a perfect charge coming in from both of the squads on Xbox. That's a double kill for Xbox. He managed to take down. Oh, by sub! What happened? What happened to Limbrum? Limbrum is dominating now in mid-game. And they are trying to get a wipe out, and Ruby is the only player still standing from Team M1K. If they get Ruby, it's going to be a wipe out, and they are going to manage to go for the final push. But instead they choose to take down Lord, and there it is. It's going to be Lord for Team Limbrum. They shouldn't back out from Lord. They should have finished this Lord. And we have Belerik along with Kagura trying to block that lane from all the players from Team M1K. Look at that Kufra with a charge. Who is going to take down Lord? Oh, look at that. Ruby has been taken down by Kagura, but all the players from M1K are coming in. But Gushan finally managed to take down Lord. Oh, nice. Lord been taken down by Limbrum, and Claude, sadly for Claude, has been taken down in that fight, trying to defend the Lord, and he's being charged by Team M1K. So we have Lord from Team Limbrum coming in from bottom lane. Yes, it's a good tank Limbrum, but slow backup from teammate. Yes, bro. I agree with Steven. And look at Belerik, the way he played. He's always trying to give visions for his own teammates, but his teammates are not always on time to take the fight together. So we have Kufra as well right there inside the jungle. We have Belerik as well, but they are exposing their positions, and Kufra is right there still in the mid lane jungle, and they are already managed to spot all the positions of the enemy team. So we have Kagura is being spotted, and he's been taken down easily. There it is. The Lord managed to take down Dyrot, and we have Kufra has been taken down as well. So Lord is going from bottom lane, and it's going to be a final push, I guess, or maybe it's going to be a initial push coming in from Limbrum, and there is Belerik has been taken down, and sadly they didn't even manage to take down that bottom lane turret. Who versus who? Please make sure to check the pinned comment there. We already pinned the match. Okay, it's a match between Limbrum and M1K. Yamete M1K. The blue team is Limbrum, and red team is Yamete M1K. I always update the match in the pinned comment. So let's take a look. We already have an assembled team from M1K, and the same goes to Limbrum. They are trying to hide inside the jungle and waiting for the right moment to go for the charge against the enemy team from M1K. So now everyone are busy, especially this Kufra is trying to give some vision inside the jungle. Suppose if anyone are trying to come for the invasion. So Kagura spotted Kufra there, and she's trying to take some damage and trying to disturb his position. So now Kufra is changing his position to the right side. And let's take a look at Team Limbrum. Are they going to spot the players from M1K? Okay, there it is. Kagura always doing her job, trying to expose their positions inside the jungle. So it's going to be look at Kufra always trying to go for early charge. He's going solo in the front, and he's falling back with a combination of his own flicker spell. So we have both the players, both the teams are trying to play very safe. They are not trying to make any mistakes, because if they make any mistakes, because now is because the match is on the verge of late game. If they make even a small mistake, it's going to be the final push coming in from any of these teams. So there it is, the charge coming in from Kufra. Look at that, and Kugura has been taken down. Who's going to get wiped out in this fight? Is it going to be Limbrum or M1K? Xbox has been taken down. Belerik has been taken down. Xbox has been taken down. It's going to be another hero from Limbrum, which is Claude. And only Gushan is still standing from Team Limbrum. Limbrum versus M1K. M1K for sure. Okay, Klin has been taken down. Look at Gushan. Gushan solo player still surviving from Team Limbrum. So 2 players has been taken down from M1K. So now Kufra is going to teleport back to base. He's very low in HP, and he's going to regenerate his HP. Going to join in the fight again, and there is a Lord charge coming in from Ruby, and Lord is being reset back again to full HP. Red will win. Okay. Some people are saying in the live chat that M1K is going to win, but you guys haven't seen epic comebacks in this tournament, so we can't judge from the kills and from from the gameplay right now, because we might see an epic comeback coming in from Limbrum, because the way Limbrum played, it seems like they might be able to go for an epic comeback. Look at that, they managed to take down one kill, which is Ruby from M1K. So Billerick very low in HP, trying to go for the early charge, but he's getting low, and he decided to fall back. So there is Lord charge coming in from team Limbrum, and now we are going to see Kufra gonna move forward, but they are busy trying to clear those minions. So we have Kagura trying to defend that lane there. So we have Lord has been taken down by Limbrum. Epic comebacks in okay, while everyone is still busy holding their base, let's take a look at the builds. Those are the builds from both the squads there. So which is why I said M1K. Okay, everybody trying to defend their own lanes, trying to clear those minions, and Lord is doing his own job, trying to push this bottom lane. And let's take a look, maybe you're going to see Limbrum gonna focus, especially in mid lane, because this mid lane second last turret is still standing. So Lord is still on his way, and we have all the teams from team M1K are assembled together trying to defend this bottom lane. So we have those minions coming in from mid lane, and those minions from mid lane are doing their job, trying to push. And let's take a look at the Lord is trying to tank the players for team Limbrum, and is going to be charged, and Billerick is very low on HP, and he's gonna fall back. We have mid lane base turret has been taken down. So we have another hero is going to be taken down, I guess. Dushan has been taken down, and another hero from M1K, which is Kufra, has been taken down. Lord has been taken down, so now it's going to be very hard for them to gather the kills. Billerick has been taken down. Lord has been taken down, so it's going to be very hard for them, but still, they managed to take down 3 base turret, which is why I said M1K. Just like I said, like before, Limbrum might be going for an epic comeback, right? You can't say that M1K will win, or maybe Limbrum will win, because in this tournament, as we've seen right from the start of this tournament, from day one, we've seen so many epic comebacks. Even me, I can't judge the teams, right? In early game, we might see red team dominating. In mid game, we might see blue team dominating, and again, so on so forth. And you know, it's always a surprise in this tournament. So both the teams here are quite doing pretty good, and we already have a 19 minutes match, and it's already crossed 10 past 3 minutes. Bayorong playoff kanatuliki team na kaway ka group. Only two teams from one group. Okay. Number 1 team from the group will be in upper bracket, and the second team, second ranked team from the group will go to lower bracket. So now we have team M1K trying to they are trying to defend Lord, and they are not trying to give Lord for Team Limbrum, but those minions, mega minions from Team Limbrum, they are doing the job, pushing from mid lane, and Kufa has been taken down, Billy has been taken down, and it's going to be a wipeout, I guess. And let's take a look, very low in HP for all the players from M1K, but look at ʍύ̑. He managed to take down Xbox, but Xbox have that immortality and he's back on his feet, and we have 2 players down from Team M1K and 3 players still standing from M1K. It's going to be a kill, I guess. Yes, it will be. It's going to be back again, but there it is, another kill for Kagura, and Kagura managed to take down ʍύ̑, and there it is, another hero to be taken down from M1K. It's only 2 players still standing, which is Cecilion and Lim. There it is. That's a win for Team Limbrum. Congratulations for Team Limbrum, and we will play to M1K. So let me break down the match. So at the first, when the match starts in the early game, we already have a domination from Team M1K. They got around 6 or 7 kills, and Limbrum got 1 kills, and then M1K, they are trying to get more and more kills, 16, 17, and in mid game, Limbrum is trying to play wisely, and maybe they are trying to communicate with each other, and they are trying to make up those mistakes, and they finally managed to equalizing regarding those kills and their farms. And in mid game, everything changes, right? They managed to take down first Lord, and that's when the game changed. And they finally got the second Lord, and they are waiting for Lord to push from top lane. And there it is. We have a final push coming in from Team Limbrum. And just like I said, you can't decide the match, right? If the match is going from early game, mid game, you can't decide the match, because the game might change, right? Just like in the live chat, many people saying like M1K will win. So we are seeing an epic comeback coming in from Limbrum, but we've seen a very good fight coming in from both teams here. They have put up a very good fight, especially for the viewers and for each and everyone who are watching the stream. So we are going to be right back with the next match, and stay tuned. And it's going to be it's going to take for maybe 5 or 6 minutes.
She just wants to flirt, so I flirt right back. I just put in work, yeah, I work like that. Got me falling and it hurts, yeah, it hurts so bad. All in and it's worth everything I have. I could feel the butterflies multiply every time I meet your eyes. Amplify deep inside once I feel your skin on mine. Though I try, I can't hide all the ways I feel inside. You're everything I want in life. She just wants to flirt, so I flirt right back. I just put in work, yeah, I work like that. Got me falling and it hurts, yeah, it hurts so bad. All in and it's worth everything I have. Got a body and she naughty, never want her off me. Hot like wasabi, hot like some coffee. We drink like a hobby, like to get sloppy. We ain't never stopping. Yeah. I just wanna drink with this girl all day. I don't wanna think, I just want to play. Keep me underneath the sheets while we sleep all day. I just wanna feed everything I crave. I recall the first day that I met you. How could I forget you? No, I don't regret you. Hope I don't upset you. I miss laying in bed too. Your head up on my chest, you were never second best, boo. Sipping on some liquor, we remember all the good times. Live a little quicker, thinking bigger, wish we could climb. Look up in the mirror, seeing clearer for our first time. Just a couple sinners, man, I wish I could reverse time. Yeah, we fake it till we make it, or we break it, often hated. Getting faded, getting naked, every time I feel impatient. And sometimes I can't escape it, I just wanna feel you shaping. Like my dreams, I can't sit back, I have to chase them. She just wants to flirt, so I flirt right back. I just put in work, yeah, I work like that. Got me falling and it hurts, yeah, it hurts so bad. All in and it's worth everything I have. She just wants to flirt, so I flirt right back. I just put in work, yeah, I work like that. Got me falling and it hurts, yeah, it hurts so bad. All in and it's worth everything I have. She just wants to flirt, so I flirt right back. I just put in work, yeah, I work like that. Got me falling and it hurts, yeah, it hurts so bad. All in and it's worth everything I have. I could feel the butterflies multiply every time I meet your eyes. Amplify deep inside once I feel your skin on mine. Though I try, I can't hide all the ways I feel inside. You're everything I want in life. She just wants to flirt, so I flirt right back. I just put in work, yeah, I work like that. Got me falling and it hurts, yeah, it hurts so bad. All in and it's worth everything I have. Got a body and she naughty, never want her off me. Hot like wasabi, hot like some coffee. We drink like a hobby, like to get sloppy. We ain't never stopping. Yeah. I just wanna drink with this girl all day. I don't wanna think, I just want to play. Keep me underneath the sheets while we sleep all day. I just wanna feed everything I crave. I recall the first day that I met you. How could I forget you? No, I don't regret you. Hope I don't upset you. I miss laying in bed too. Your head up on my chest, you were never second best, boo. Sipping on some liquor, we remember all the good times. Live a little quicker, thinking bigger, wish we could climb. Look up in the mirror, seeing clearer for our first time. Just a couple sinners, man, I wish I could reverse time. Yeah, we fake it till we make it.
Hello. Welcome back to the second match, everyone. We have a match between Dream Team versus 9 AkAtsukis. On the left side we have Dream Team and on the right side we have 9 AkAtsukis. So let's take a look at these two teams. Who's going to win in this match? Please show your support. Show your support, your own teams. We have Dream Team versus 9 AkAtsukis. So we have Ling, first band from Dream Team.
I didn't. For the pain.
It is in despair that I see the fondest hopes.
Biri break mau, biri break. Tak kita yang pick, biri break mengirut.
I am he, and always will.
Abang anak reply message stop.
No matter what.
Mentakas ni telah ada lightar hakti. Ngathit bal lightar ba jeng pruat, ngasubuk bak obla jeng pruat. Namar ba teng-teng damlong lightar am.
Not a single crime can be forgiven.
I am more than a weapon.
I am vengeance incarnate.
greatest inventions. You want to make friends with Nana? Let's play.
Do what I...
Okay. So we have Ling, Nathan, and Dairot being banned from Dream Team. So we have Thamos, Yin, and Valentina banned from AkAtsuki. So we have Aldous, Angela, Nana, Esmeralda, and is it going to be Beatrix? Okay, and Beatrix from Dream Team. So we have Moskov, Julian, Tigreal, Change, and which will be the last hero for 9 AkAtsukis. Mele ayu ja ka stream shipang me nga reply message po WhatsApp. Taksdang na mega game dang ya pick dang iya yang. Ting reply a message tok. Okay, we have carried the last pick from 9 AkAtsukis. Nga pick message nga reply message takada. Ngam penjara ka stream the last dang match ngam penjara ka tu mantan di bangarang le pergi break no kata bangarang reply ki message am takada. Okay, we have Dream Team is blue and 9 AkAtsukis is red team. So let's take a look. Please show your support to any of these teams who are participating in this match. And Drizi Rindatyang si Gosan Goku si na ngamong e shura pipa si nga pipa ong yu nga ngamong shura na re yodur ram tre ong e shura yamap yodur yamap okay. Okay, so PAU pause for Kerry. It's a pause from Kerry. The first pause for today. Please show your support to any of these teams. Dream Team or 9 AkAtsukis. Any of you who are watching, maybe you are here for any of these teams. So please make sure to spam in the live chat and show your support to any of these teams. They really need it, right? Because this is group stage, so they need to collect those points. So we have 25 seconds on the clock and the match will resume again. Lol, Ali, Lali. Okay, we already got 21 likes. Come on, let's get to 30 likes. Can we get 30 likes at least? Come on, let's go. I believe in you all. Please, let's get to 30 likes. Okay, the match is starting in 3, 2, 1, and resume. Okay, the match is resumed. One pause is complete, okay, for team 9 AkAtsuki, so they don't have an extra pause. So I guess they have fixed their problem, which is I don't know, maybe internet or maybe electricity problem. So let's hope that there's not going to be any disturbance for any of these teams, because we really want to see the match is going smooth for both the squads here. So let's take a look. We have a charge coming in from both the squads here. 3 players from 9 Akatsukis against 2 players from Dream Team. And we have Nana along with Angela in mid lane. Let's take a look. Will he be able to take down a kill? No. It seems like Angela is getting low in HP, and she managed to take some HP against Tiger, and Nana is trying to survive, and she's going to teleport back to base. She's getting low in HP, and it seems like Nana, what happened to Nana there? She's AFK. Dream Team lose or win, also my favorite team. Come on, 9 Akatsukis from M1K. Okay, we have a charge coming in from Esmeralda against Julian, and Esmeralda is getting low in HP, and there is a help is coming in from Aldos, and will he be able to get a kill at least from any of these players? Looks at that. Oh, Aldos with only 1 HP still managed to fall back from the fight and still managed to escape with only 1 HP. Very lucky for Aldos. And a charge coming in, a help from Angela, but the help failed and Angela has been taken down. So that's 1 kill, first blood for team 9 Akatsuki. So let's take a look. A charge coming in from Aldos, and he's gonna cancel his ultimate, and he's right here in blue buff. So we have a turtle charge coming in from 9 Akatsukis. So it's going to be the first turtle for 9 Akatsukis, and Dream Team, they are not aware of 9 Akatsukis taking the turtle, and there is Carrie with a turtle buff. So we have Julian trying to clear those enemy minions and trying to let his own minions to take down turret. But Esmeralda is on his way trying to defend that bottom lane as well. So we have still Moskov along with Beatrix. Both MMs are in a fight in top lane. So we have Changi going to teleport back to base with very low in HP. And she's gonna regenerate her she's very low in mana, I mean. So she's gonna regenerate her mana again, and she's gonna come back and join in the fight back in mid lane. So we have a rotation. Okay, pause from Beatrix. It's a pause for Dream Team. Okay, 1 minute pause. 1 pause is already been activated from 9 Akatsukis, and now we have another pause coming in from Dream Team. So I guess maybe they are having an internet problem, I guess, because as we've seen, so many players are complaining about internet, but the management can't do anything about internet, so we just have to let the match flow. Okay, but we still allow the players and the team to apply for a pause, but it's going to be only 1 pause for each team, which is only one the internet. Baisa. Okay, Change is being charged by Aldos, and there is he cancelled his ultimate, and now he's back in mid lane. Look at all the players. What a nice charge coming in from Tiger. Will he be able to get a kill? Nana is going to be taken down. Carry with that kill. It's going to be a double kill. No, oh, Changi managed to take down that kill. I thought Carry is going to take a second kill, but Nana with that finishing and managed to take down that kill. So we have already 3 kills for 9 Akatsukis and no kills yet for Dream Team. So we have Tiger with a rotation to bottom lane. And now he's moving back to mid lane and trying to help Changi. And there is Moskov. Finally, he's been taken down in top lane. Look at Beatrix, the only one who finally managed to take a kill against 9 Akatsukis. And now we are going to see a rotation coming in from Changi along with Tiger. But Tiger is going to try to give some visions for his own teammates, trying to rotate back and forth from mid lane to bottom lane, from mid lane to top lane. Especially they should watch out for that turtle, especially for Dream Team. They missed that first turtle, so they should watch out for the second turtle. if they are letting 9 Akatsukis to take down the second turtle, is going to be a very good farm for team 9 Akatsuki. So there it is. We have a second kill coming in from a Dream Team, and Changi has been taken down, and we have Kerry along with Tiger trying to take some damage from that turtle, but we have Aldous as well trying to fight their turtle, but we have turtle has been taken down by Kerry again, the second turtle for 9 Akatsukis. So we have 2 by 3 kills, which is 3 kills for 9 Akatsukis and 2 kills for Dream Team. Yo, Venki Marwin Yellow, yo bro, hello bro, kumno pilang. Welcome to the stream. So ban you like, ban you subscribe, ban you share. Namar dadap kaning inang dan sa art ki match. Dia la dan dan ki ba wan ban pay ka stream te kadang tiang kapor. I'm shooting flop palat kanat mission ni khasi 4G nak start 2G sabar. Ji buon nai ka thate. Wat mga beli wifi ru dang flop tela dang start mobile data sedakhar. Dang start mobile data sedakhar banyak wifi sini lah. Okay, there it is. Oh, Moskov is getting killed by Beatrix. Very easy kill for Beatrix in top lane. And now 9 Akatsukis, you have to watch out for Beatrix. Beatrix already with 3 kills. So now we are going to see a rotation maybe. Let's hope for a rotation coming from 9 Akatsukis and a gank up coming from 9 Akatsukis, but they are pretty late. And Tiger already used his conceal. And it is Aldous trying to use his ultimate, trying to expose the enemy positions. And we have the minions doing their own job along with Beatrix. Managed to take down top lane turret. Just like I said, they should watch out for Beatrix. Beatrix is dominating, and if they want to keep on dominating, they should watch out for Beatrix, because Beatrix is the only problem, especially for late game. And look at that perfect charge from Esmeralda. Will he be able to get a kill? Beatrix, oof, she missed her skills, she missed her shots against Tiger, and Tiger managed to escape with only 1 HP. So we have a rotation coming in from Dream Team, and there it is. We have another hero from Dream Team, from 9 Akatsukis has been taken down. So we have 4 by 4 kills, and they are equalizing regarding the kills. So third is going to be taken down by Kerry again. So there it is. So now they are already on the lead, even though the kills are equalizing, but they have 1000 gold on the lead for 9 Akatsukis. So what happened to the live chat? Why so silent? Why no one is chatting? Come on. To you long ki bai he nya for live chat. To boleh jaga. Please pekai kami lagi HP. So, ngaklat ban zoom out deh, ngaklat ban pen company di screen karena man yok by view. Look at the charge. Oh, will Beatrix get a kill? Look at the charge coming in from Tiger, and there's a CC coming in, and Beatrix finally has been taken down. What a perfect charge from Tiger, and he's trying to target Beatrix, and he succeed, but Moskov has been taken down again. Aldous is dominating as well. So we have 2 players from Dream Team are facing a very big problem against these 2 players from 9 Akatsukis, which is Tiger along with Changi. These 2 players are having most of their HP, and we have 2 players down low in HP from Dream Team as well. So Beatrix finally has been shut down. Her killing spree has been shut down. So Tiger, he should continue that strategy. He should always locked on Beatrix, right? if he managed to lock on Beatrix, then it's going to be an easy kill for 9 AkAtsukis for the remaining players. And we have Aldous with a charge against Tiger. Being a tank, it's going to be very hard for them to take down Tiger. And there is Gary managed to take down Nana. A perfect charge coming in from Tiger. Đang ibang ka game ruwa ram lelai đang jang kadai ka tangar ibang na ka game so ibang ni ka game ki ya be la mena first match ibang ka game mena first match kalong kom ni sebab mena first match dia ang ka dominate ka yula ka M1K kai ka Limbrum ka shu comeback dia. So we have a lot charge coming in from 9 AkAtsukis. Let's take a look at Dream Team. Are you going to let 9 AkAtsukis take that Lord so easily? There's no disturbance coming in from Dream Team. So now Lord is going to come in from top lane. Lord is going to come in from top lane, and maybe 9 AkAtsukis are going to focus especially on mid lane, and they should leave Lord alone in pushing top lane. So maybe let's hope so that they are gonna do that. And we have Aldous gonna try to clear up the minions and along with Lord in top lane. So we have Tiger teleport back to base because he's very low on HP, and now he's going to join in the fight. Back in mid lane we have bottom lane Julian from 9 AkAtsukis trying to clear up his own lane, and we have Kerry on her way from bottom lane to mid lane. So we have Aldous using his ultimate trying to expose the positions of 9 AkAtsukis. So we have a charge coming in from Aldous, and he cancelled his ultimate because Julian is moving right towards turret. So we have Beatrix trying to defend Lord against 9 AkAtsukis, and Lord is going to go down so easily, and Lord is too weak in the first stage there. So let's take a look at Kerry here. She's waiting inside the jungle and waiting for the right moment against Beatrix. And it is Beatrix has been taken down by Julian. And top lane turret has been taken down as well. And it's going to be a push from 9 AkAtsukis. So we have Beatrix has been taken down. So it's going to be very hard for the Dream Team to defend. 1 has been taken down. So we have only Aldous Hyper. This is Hyper. So Aldous died. That is going to be an extra problem for the Dream Team. So they have to defend Aldous. Otherwise, it's going to be an open spot for the push for 9 AkAtsukis. Nana useless. Yes, they shouldn't have picked Nana because they already have Angela. They already have 1 CC, right? They already have 1 CC. So they, at least if they pick fighter or maybe another tank. If they pick fighter or maybe a tank, it would have been it would have been better. They have Nana and Angela. So we have Aldous has been taken down. So we have 4 players still standing from Dream Team. Beatrix is being charged, but he managed to escape in that fight and took herself. And we have one who has been taken down from 9 AkAtsukis. Well, what a perfect ultimate coming in from Tiger, and Nana has been taken down inside Tiger's ultimate. True, Nana useless from Dream Team. Ay, bakla kayo man pick Nana. Bakla jur siya. Okay, there is Aldous with the charge for Lord. Look at that. Will he be able to survive? He's solo right there, and he's being CC'd by the players from 9 AkAtsukis, and he boosted and he sprinted himself backwards. And there is a charge from 9 AkAtsukis, and Lord is getting low in HP. It seems like Lord is going to be taken down by 9 AkAtsukis, and there is Kerry with that Lord, and it seems like Lord is going to come in from top lane again, and Kerry is going to get that kill. Oh, Julian managed to take down a kill, and 1 player down from Dream Team of 7 kills in total for Dream Team and 12 kills in total for 9 AkAtsuki. So let's take a look at all the builds here. We haven't checked the builds from both the squads. P Davalirla Dep Kakam Kajam. Kerry last ngat snam. Last ngat Kerry but 303 the carry but ya precision ru utagral ru 107 dakati tagral ru iong men tagral iba ka Beatrix kala dominated like here they saw Beatrix dominated she killed Moscow for like 3 times I guess. So they changed their plan and Tigreal is locking on Beatrix, and now Beatrix is being disturbed regarding the farm. So now Lord managed to take some damage, and only 1 HP is still left from that top lane base turret. Only 1 hit and that turret is gonna go down. There is the last hit coming from Carry. So Mega Minions are gonna come in from top lane in a while. So now they have to focus in defending their own base for Dream Team. So let's take a look at 9 AkAtsukis. What is their game plan for now? They have 2 players hiding in the bush, especially Tigreal, and now we are going to see another hiding spot for 9 AkAtsukis. So Dream Team is not trying to come out of their positions. They are trying to wait for the right moment to get a kill against 9 AkAtsuki. So there it is. We have a charge from Aldous. Maybe are going to see charge. It's going to be very hard for Aldous to charge right now because all the players from 9 AkAtsukis, they are assembled together in one portion of the map. So the match has been going on for 15 minutes, almost 16. So there is a perfect stun coming in from Moskov. Moskov is getting low in HP. Oh, Moskov, he managed to escape from that fight with only 1 HP. With that flicker spell, he managed to escape. So we have now, we have Change with her ultimate getting inside Esmeralda. So will we be able to get a kill, at least a kill against 9 AkAtsukis? You can't take Cecilion with Esther's game. Well, awesome. 1-3 black. So we have 7 kills for Dream Team and 12 kills for 9 AkAtsukis. So we're going to see a charge coming from Dream Team. Is going to be a charge. It seems like 9 AkAtsukis, 1 hero has been taken down. Julian, a perfect ultimate coming in from Tigreal, and a combination with Change's ultimate as well. They managed to take down Aldous, and only 4 players still standing. Carry with a Lord, and she managed to take down the 3rd Lord. So now Lord is going to come in back again from top lane. There is Esmeralda. With the help of Esmeralda, Beatrix finally managed to take down a kill against Carry. Are they going to go for the push? But Lord is gonna be on his way in a minute or so from top lane. So we have 2 players still standing from 9 AkAtsukis. Is it going to be an epic comeback for Dream Team? It seems like they are trying to do so. So we have a push coming in from Dream Team, and Tigreal doing his job trying to push those minions away from that turret. So we have Lord on his way from top lane. Yeah, Valir or Franco. Laslam M2K की match. Okay, Laslam M2K की match. Okay, kata. Pimot kali yo, Genius or Luna mera. Kan ma ke in game ni am ngaling ong di Genius Luna. Pimot ang kumno Luna am stora. Laslam M2K game की match. Dream Y na Dreamy mutha. Dream Y na Dreamy. 10 kills by 13 kills. Oof. So very less kills from both the squads. They are trying to play very wisely, especially for Dream Team, because they are being dominated by 9 AkAtsukis. Until any hero is good until and unless you know how to play them. Yes, and the combination is also important. If you are picking wrong, then that's the disadvantage as well, right? But maybe Dream Team, they have their own plan. We can't judge that. let's wait and see until the end of the match, and let's see who's going to win the fight. A charge coming from Aldos, but cancel his ultimate. So we have Changi gonna teleport back to base, can join in the fight again. Oh, it's not Changi, it's Julian. Up that more. Okay, look at that. Look at that. He's going to be taken down. It seems like Moskov is going to try to take some heroes against Dream Team. Look at that. HP regeneration from Moskov. A life steal from Moskov. Moskov with only 1 HP. And he's being charged by Aldos. Aldos is going to teleport back to base. And Moskov is teleporting back to base. Aldos cancelled his ultimate. He should have charged because Aldos' teammates are right there in this Lord portion of the map. So we have 3 players all together from 9 AkAtsuki and 3 players all together from a Dream Team as well. And there is Angela has been taken down. Nana, where is Nana? You have another player has been taken down. Lord has been taken down as well. So we have Moskov finally, he's been taken down. So we have Aldo has been taken down as well. So we have Lord has been taken down by Carry. So we have has been taken down with Carry, and Carry with a double kill, I guess. And we have 2 players still standing from Dream Team, and 4 players still standing from 9 AkAtsukis. Mem patnang pulir ni tang kelas 1 rupat pas map 2 yang means la slam on sedang kawai baje menta bala slam ko ni hokan ki match mentan ki dap slam ha ka first match su ka dap slam kani ka second match su ka dap slam te ki match ba kham sadian yalong ki de sha ma namar ba kini ki match ki mentan ki slam an kot ma ka third match kan sedang kham slam ka fourth match su kan sedang kham slam namar ba te mental ade Katway Juna Spawaru Pat Kutik match. But let's hope that the match is gonna end. Whoever wins. We already seeing the push from mid lane from 9 AkAtsukis. Only bottom lane turret is still bottom lane base turret is still standing. So we have a push coming in. Lord is coming in from top lane. And 2 players from 9 AkAtsukis assembled together here. And Carry has been taken down by Nana. What was that? I thought Carry gonna be able to take at least 1 kill, but Carry's been taken down instead. And now 9 AkAtsukis going to be very hard for them to assist, but still at least they have Moskov, and there is Beatrix has been taken down by Moskov. It's a revenge from Moskov against Beatrix, and there's a win for 9 AkAtsukis. Congratulations to 9 AkAtsukis and Dream Team. GG, well played. And we still have 1 more match. Let's not we still have 2 more matches. Okay, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and share the stream as well, because we still have 2 more matches. And let's not waste any more time, because it's already late. So we will be right back with the next match.
We break it off and hate it, getting faded, getting naked. Every time I feel impatient, and sometimes I can't escape it. I just wanna feel you shaping, like my dreams, I can't sit back, I have to chase them. She just wants to flirt, so I flirt right back. I just put in work, yeah. Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good. Fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts. I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth. Can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about. Have your fucking cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round. Bitch, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my fucking mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big boss, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your fucking cloud. It be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, bitch I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my fucking mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your fucking cloud. It be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, bitch I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
You don't wanna fuck with me? A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my fucking mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss locks. I tell you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the
You could try to play it, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me.
Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression,
You could try to play it, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try to change, you can say no, free me.
So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off, I'ma break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can change lives, you create thoughts. Never waste time, you got one shot, you got one life. Better pop off, what do you like? Make a dream job, no 9-5, no mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts.
You could try to play it, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try to change, you can say no, free me. You could try to play it, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me.
Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression,
You could try to play it, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me.
Hello. Ketika match la kham slam ketika third match di la I warning ya ka Nocturnal Legion ba way priau kham slam man join mentan te with warning kibun ki squad apo kani ka tournament kilba ai sha ai warning mo kito kila la mak lupa la da next ki slam biang te kamot minus 1 point
than a weapon.
ma minus 1 point namar ngi ai bet extra kawai kawai te kadi ka management time bet kata kadai ba ban join ban 8 ngi ai por bisan minute kata te kadai bet ka compulsory ngi ai bisan minute tambala da pislam yang kata kesan minute ban join hadian latami kata ngi ai extra shoot sasan minute tangba with warning da kila adat warning te kamut next match la di kilong kile biang kamju te kamut minus 1 point. So welcome back everyone to this third match of the day. We have a match between Art of Execution versus Nocturnal Legion. On the left side we have Art of Execution, and on the right side we have Nocturnal Legion. So this is the third match of the day. We still have one more match after this, so please stay tuned and stay until the end of the fourth match. So it's my humble request to each and every one of you to please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And you can also share the stream because we still have one more match, so we still have plenty of time to watch the stream together. So let's focus on this match, and the match is gonna start within 2 or 3 minutes. Channel to my welcome guys. Best of luck, you keep a done game, congratulations, you keep a job, try harder next time, keep a sha'aram hakane kakanti bamanta. San Goku do belang, San Goku noob do belang. Ka imut tala, San Goku noob do belang hana. Penina bomber blue team. Belum tapi yang bomber di team tam apna la sedang ka match wa apna akut ka match pisuang nom ta ka tang hero pa pick the am dai pech ka jing fight dos pimla abanong ka blue team kam ler pimla abanong ka red team kam ler pech ka fight pech ki pick hero kom no pech ka fight kom no namar mla abanong ma pero kom le kai te mla abanong we already have 33 likes, I guess. 33 it is. Yes, 33. We already have 33 likes. Come on, let's reach 40. Let's reach 40. Okay, come on, let's hope for 40 likes. Okay, it's already 11 PM. Oh, mamang kapor la kawai baje la ada persedang ka last match la kawai baje. Ma mentapan kumta kadi baslam pala ban kut tiki match menala ni to first but second match kala su snar shala kala su ne slam sha ni su mat taba pinong kumnu am tabangi MGC ting kabyang la terkom kapor kom sedang tournament to let's start kat tu tala first day 1 day 2 day 3 day 4 day 5 perkat pi kabyang di ka timing kerkom sedang
be it family or destiny.
Kerkom sedang kerkom kut kabyang bet tambah tang kak tengkat lano ban slam ru. Okay, we have Xavier, Thamus, Saber, we have Popol Koopa, Valentina and Julian being banned from both of the squads. So we have Atlas, Cecilion, Martis, Carey and Gushan being picked from Art of Execution. So we have Hilda, Beatrix, Tigreal, we have Vixana and Yomot being picked from Nocturnal Legions.
Valor and royalty in a dead body.
Kai liplaj ngala I karu kom le kai Byakugan sings pila ji ini ambal kai Johnny Sins pak Byakugan pila I kan Byakugan Sins pila I Johnny Sins pila I na ambal kai Johnny boy. they will pick Gushan. No, Gushan is already picked by Art of Execution, which is Byakugan Sins. So we have team captain Byakugan Sins from Flo's Assassin from Art of Execution. We have Alex, team captain from Nocturnal Legion. So we have Gushan Hyper from Art of Execution, and we have Yomot Hyper from Nocturnal Legion. So we have Kerry with Beatrix. We've seen Beatrix in the previous match and Kerry in the previous match as well, and now we are seeing the same hero pick, Kerry and Beatrix. And we have Tiger as well in the previous match, and Gushan as well we have, right, in previous match. So there's not much of difference in hero picks, only some heroes difference regarding the picks. Previous better pick here could have been. Previous could have been better pick, right? Could have been better pick here. Okay. We are seeing here 3 players moving together. We have Vexana, Tiger along with Leomot, and Leomot trying to take down that blue buff. So we have a rotation coming in from Tiger, Vexana, look at that, and Kerry still managed to escape from that fight. We have Cecilion with quick help against Team Nocturnal Legion. A perfect rotation coming in from both the squads here. A perfect help on time from all those players in top lane. So we have in bottom lane these 2 players, Marcus and Hilda, are in a fight with a 1v1 fight, and we have Vexana still trying to defend in mid lane. Tangler Johnny Sins tomorrow. Okay, look at that, Atlas and Tiger in the front line. So we have turtle charge. No. Okay, we have Hilda hiding inside the jungle and waiting for Cecilion to make a move, or maybe move inside the jungle, and gonna take a kill against Cecilion. It's going to be a charge. There it is, a charge coming in from Hilda against Cecilion, just like I said, but Cecilion with that sprint, and she managed to fall back from the fight, but instead Atlas has been taken down by Leomot. Now that's the first blood, and it's the second blood as well for Team Nocturnal Legion, so it's going to be a turtle for sure for Team Nocturnal Legion. So we have still Kerry and Beatrix in top lane, and we have Hilda along with Martis in bottom lane. Hilda missed a kill against Cecilion, otherwise should have been managed to take the kill, but Cecilion with that sprint managed to escape from the fight, and at last trying to defend Cecilion. Sadly, he's been taken down as well. So we have 2 kills on the lead for Nocturnal Legion, and no kills yet for Art of Execution. So it's a quick update. Art of Execution, which is a blue team, and Nocturnal Legion is red team. So let's get to 40 likes. We already have 35 likes. Come on, let's go for 40 likes. Come on, let's go. We have 20 viewers. And we have 35 likes. Come on, let's go for 40 likes. Okay, we have a charge coming in, and Leomot is trying to take some damage against Gushan. Gushan is facing some harassment from Leomot, and there is a quick help coming in from Atlas, and an ultimate coming in, and there's a charge coming in from Art of Execution, and Atlas has been taken down. We have Kerry has been taken down. Oh my god, Gushan has been taken down as well, and only Tiger has been taken down there. So it's a very good gameplay for Nocturnal Legion. So are we going to see some kills for Art of Execution as well? Satak sianga sandakut game 3 kering nila liplay. Ngatex ha group bro, ha group jong ke MGC tournament group. Ngatex biang tu ya ki balik tournament bro, team captains. So bahaya page group namarangi text bihang tu bapinnya long ki ready ya ka next match. Kumba jule hi man kapor try pi tip hi ka ka rule trong ka group lai tip hi sha ka match ni lai update bat te ma Nimla ali ai ka liplat ne ka thut wifi na thut internet nimla ali ai ka fixture kan ya bat ki substitutes ki dan pihak banyak perantam dari substitutes mah la ai la ban buat substitutes hadu arnut. So there is we have a first turtle for team Nocturnal Legion and Yamete with a turtle and double kill for Nocturnal Legion, which is Yamete is going to triple kill for Yamete. Will he be able to get a maniac? But there it is. Beatrix managed to take down a kill in top lane with the help of Tiger, and we have Yamete from low HP and he's getting back to almost full HP. So we have Ixana on her way back to mid lane. So we have Hilda gonna try to push this bottom lane, and there's no one from Art of Execution to defend this lane here. Martis is on his way, and this bottom lane turret is gonna go down easily with no one to defend bottom lane. So we have 3 players all together from Nocturnal Legion, always staying together and always with the rotation together. And we have Yamete hiding right here and waiting for the players from an Art of Execution, especially Carrie. She's being surrounded by the players from Nocturnal Legion, and Carrie is going to go down easily, and there it is, unstoppable gameplay from Yamete. He already managed to get a total of 5 kills with no deaths, and at last is getting low HP being charged by Yamete, and he managed to flick himself forward and managed to escape from the fight against Yamete. So we have another kill from also we have the third kill for Art of Execution, which is Vixana has been taken down with a perfect skill there coming in from Sicilian as well. Managed to take some damage against 2 players from Nocturnal Legion. OPMS partner, OPMS next match, OPMS will play in the last match for tonight, okay? After this match, OPMS will play. So, we have Beatrix going to teleport back to base, very low on HP. She's going to join in the fight again, maybe. Okay, she decided to go to top lane and try to push those minions. So we have Gushan going to try to take some farm with him, and they need to clear the minions as well. So we have Hilda has been taken down in mid lane by team Art of Execution. So we have turtles being charged by Nocturnal Legion, and they are already being spotted by team Art of Execution, but Yamete managed to take down that turtle. So we have Carrie being taken down right here. So we have a charge coming from Yamete, and there is Yamete with a kill against Martis. It's going to be another kill like that. Let's take a look. That's a kill for Tigreal and Yamete as well. That's a double kill for Yamete. So we have 2 players with Tigreal and Vixana. Is going to be a push for Nocturnal Legion in mid lane, and that mid lane turret is going to go down, and the buff invasion for Yamete as well. So we have mid lane second turret is being pushed by the players from Nocturnal Legion. So we have Beatrix doing her own job trying to push a top lane turret, and we have bottom lane turret from Nocturnal Legion has been taken down as well by the push coming from maybe Gushan or Martis, I guess. Petlerhal Rep team. Okay, we have 4 kills in total for Art of Execution, and we have 14 kills from team Nocturnal Legion. So we have Yamete still busy trying to take down that blue buff. So we have Ixana trying to block that lane there, trying to defend any invasion coming in from team Art of Execution. $37 likes. Come on, let's get 40. Only 3 more likes to get. Only 3 more likes to reach 40. Let's go. Okay, Tigreal is hiding inside the bush trying to give some vision for his own teammates. So we have Tiger gonna try to move forward and trying to know more of the positions from Team Art of Execution. So we have Leomord hiding inside the bush along with Tiger. We have Beatrix solo player trying to expose herself, and she already know that 2 players from her team are already waiting inside the jungle. So there is a charge coming in from Atlas and a charge coming in from Tiger as well. Just like I said, Beatrix is trying to lure some of the players from Art of Execution, and it already succeeds. So we have Atlas has been taken down. So 1 player down from Art of Execution, and Leomord going to try for an aggressive push, and Leomord is going to go down again, and there is a kill for Gushan as well. And we have another push coming in from Team Nocturnal Legion. They managed to take down Gushan. So 3 players still standing from Art of Execution, and 4 players still standing from Nocturnal Legion. So we have Hilda always trying to do her own job, trying to push her own lane, and she's being disturbed by Martis in bottom lane. Cecil, she bet she can ta kan ya umlut baro. Claire Cecilion. Yes bro, kadang Cecilion te ima temo ikum ba pam pan TikTok bila. Sela kan Cecilion she bet halas game am kum ba pam pan TikTok bet she bet. Dan basan dah she bet. Sepatnya kadang match tu kecik te ima la. Don't think it will go late game that pushing all the lane. The match has been going on for 11 minutes. 11 minutes, bhai saab. 11 minutes match already going on. So we have sahab thạch plat taksi. Mat na samthia đây. Bisa bị pikai rồi phim nhà entertain lang thì like chat. So we have invasion for blue buff from Leomord. So we have Atlas with that push, and Leomord managed to take down that buff, and we have Atlas with that ultimate, and Tiger with the ultimate as well. And it is Cecilion combo along with Atlas, but Cecilion is pretty good in combining the spell with Atlas. If they used their skills in the right moment, they should have been able to take down at least 3 players from Team Nocturnal Legion. But Cecilion is pretty late in that response, and Atlas coming in with that early skill, and they miss all the kills against Nocturnal Legion. Ang tugusan na AOE delete ML. Feels like Ceci is the only player playing. No, not only Ceci. Look at Atlas also. He's playing pretty good, but he's been taken down so many times. But from my point of view, Atlas has been playing at least not bad for Atlas as well. He managed to give some vision for his own teammates. He managed with the rotations, no skills being missed, and that's what we want from a tank. But I don't know about the other players, but that's a kill for Kerry. Tiger has been taken down. Atlas has been taken down by Leomord. Beatrix has been taken down by Kerry, and it is Leomord has been taken down by Gushan. I was going to see an epic comeback coming from Team Art of Execution. Is going to be a Lord charge coming in from Art of Execution, and only 2 players left from Nocturnal Legion, and there is a charge coming in from Gushan. Managed to take down Vexana, and it's only 1 player still standing from Art of Execution, and they are leading Lord alone, and Lord is being reset again. So the players from Nocturnal Legion, they are going to be back in on their feet within a moment, and they are going to continue with their push maybe in any of these lanes, because we don't know the push, from which lane Nocturnal Legion are gonna push against team Art of Execution. Jai dang practice lalu don biang jongi khasi ang dang slam bro ban sedang ani dang gani mentah bang ya group stage tu bro pat kut ra group stage of playoff kan wan grand final de nak slam bro. What a flick spell coming in from Martis, but he missed he missed the target. Lanu don biang khasi. Okay. Jai dang practice ha AOE noob khandai ngot ki top 10 noob hai India gitu. Waiting bara Martis. Dan jai bro tip la tournament ra gusan tela shujener astri. We are the team who will face AOE just ban says you next match. Epic Astre dam khasi la layer banya Astre ki player epic ru ki dang nang ban pick. Okay, we have bottom lane turret been taken down by those minions, and Bushan trying to clear those minions in bottom lane. Ganile ban kan kam jai namar barundang ala sang pangmo nu menang akran stop la. Nakran non-stop na doon nag-pick hyper sword day tangara enemy sa counter OP combo. Okay, there's a lot being charged by Yamete from Nocturnal Legion. Abla ngan snap sa tok ko masih minute mah. Ki-pick ro ki hero classic number 1 bullshit. Baik mo nga kam ong raga mo nga pulih ki live chat kita ki chat by text tu sia ya text live chat tu tengah mo nga pulih ki tu live chat nga comment tiap ya ke game ngampit ra ya ke si ong ru. So we have Lord from Nocturnal Legion coming in from mid lane, and there's a charge, and mid lane base turret is going to go down, and we are going to see the push coming in from Nocturnal Legion. I guess we have Hilda along with Vexana in bottom lane, and there is Gushan has been taken down, so we have one player down, which is Gushan. So 4 players still standing from from Art of Execution and Nocturnal Legion. They are going to try to go with the final blue and the final push. Atlas has been taken down. It's going to be the last for them to defend because Tang has been taken down. So only 3 players still standing. But Dietrich has been taken down as well. Another hero is going to go down. We have Tiger, the Holy Spirit, we have Immortality built, but he's been taken down for the second time. So we have 3 players still standing from Nocturnal Legion. All the lanes are being pushed, and all the major minions are going to come in from all these 3 lanes. La shit la kidang yo na kai da kiram ki next game ru one first pick kushan kashit bahatma kashit ka game na kashit ka kamera na kashit ka benang na kashit ka climate na kashit ka game bro ngata kashit bro ar la ka game ru kashit ka climate ru kashit tower. So we have 12 kills from Art of Execution and 21 kills from Nocturnal Legion. So let's take a look at all the builds from both the squads here. Lay bro shu puliye baj. India number 1 pick comments or pick Gushan. Okay, another hero has been taken down. So we have Dietrich been taken down. We have Nocturnal Legion. They are trying to play aggressive. They are trying to finish this match as soon as possible. as we've seen, but sadly they've been taken down heroes by heroes. It seems like Art of Execution are going to be able to go for an epic comeback, because 3 players have been taken down from Nocturnal Legion, so only 2 players still standing. So it's going to be a perfect comeback for Team Art of Execution for now. So we have a lot being charged by AOE, which is Art of Execution. So we have Vexana going to try to disturb the players from Art of Execution from taking down that Lord bot, but Vision along with Kerry gonna try to focus to take the Lord. We have Hilda trying to go forward, trying to disturb them, but Vexana managed to take down Vision. Let's take a look. Oh, Vexana managed to take down Lord. Oh, Hilda has been taken down by Atlas, and we have only Beatrix back on her feet, and she's gonna try to defend with all her might and stop this lane from being pushed. Cecilion, she's been taking damage by Beatrix. Half of her HP has been taken down, and she's gonna fall back from the fight because she knows that if there's no teammates, she's not gonna survive in that fight. Jai no page comments. Mla bro nga ban bangan stream klam page comments am mla la melian na ban page comments kawai ga don kaman puli comments am tip na kaban tang man su commentier am kam ya habra ban page comments kawai ban kam na nomor ba ban interact mo ba viewers ero kawai nomor ba kari na phi ban kio ka subscriber ban kio ki likes mo kawai ni support tari kawai phi hinde ban si ignore no iki comments ban si ignore no iki viewers kam ya habra apuli ba iki comments la da long toxic la da long kumno la da long kumno nuru am comments de ban puli ba ndai par kan ban ya snow ma ka game ta ya ka game kai ya ka game ndai ban ya dis no comments no le yang ba comments de naru puli ba comments no problem dan platform khnang ban puli ki comments like. Okay, Vexana has been taken down by Gusion. Tiger is very low on HP, so we have Hilda has been taken down by Marcus. It's going to be a push coming in by Leomot, and it's very hard for Team Nocturnal Legion to go for the final push against Art of Execution, because Kerry is getting stronger and stronger. Now it's already in late game, and no final push coming in from Nocturnal Legion. One boy hearing but shit boy. Martis Guardian Helmet OP Chit Climate Come no him dong Chit Climate Ling Tomo oh ga shit ha the climate bom kai okay Atlas is being charged. Atlas with a lot of trying to give some CC against the enemies, and we have Beatrix is going to go down, and there is Tiger has been taken down as well. So only Leomod, the only hero still standing from Nocturnal Legion. So what we've seen here is the only advantage Nocturnal Legion is having right now is those mega minions from all those 3 lanes. But the advantage for Team Art of Execution is that they managed to control the match. They managed to control the enemy heroes, and they managed to take down the enemies one by one. And which is why both the teams, they can't go for the final blow, and they can't go for the final push. Right? They are having their own advantage. Art of Execution, but the way they execute us really bad. Epic comeback is okay. We have Leomot. Okay, we have Gusion finally managed to take down Lord, and it seems like Leomot has been taken down by Kerry. Are we going to see an epic comeback from Art of Execution? So Lord is gonna come in from top lane, I guess, yes, or from mid lane. Oh, we still have top lane turret still standing, and the second turret from bottom lane is still standing as well. So we have the players from the team in charge of 1 man low from Team Art of Execution. So Atlas has been taken down. So we have Kerry's been taken down as well. Oof. So it's going to be Lord is going to be taken down easily by Nocturnal Legion, because the tank and the marksman has been taken down. Oh, they didn't even manage to go for the push. Art of Execution. Those mega minions are a very big problem for Art of Execution. Epic comeback la OP blue. Nga only piece a city she can tap the lakut. Osh pro habo r player free fire utay gushan. Okay, we have two players still on the ground, and we have 3 players still standing from Team Art of Execution. So we have Tiger has been taken down. We have we have Leomord managed to take down a kill, but Leomord has been taken down by Cecilion, and we have only Vexana still standing from Nocturnal Legion. So the match is getting longer and longer. It's been 25 minutes and 3 players still standing from Art of Execution. They are trying to go for the push, but it's going to be hard for them because those Mega Minions are very high on HP, and if they want to finish, we should have gone right about now. They are waiting for the minions, and Vixana is doing with all her might, trying to control the players, and she managed to take some damage against Gary, and those Mega Minions from bottom lane, they are gonna go for the push, and who's going to defend the base? Bashan la da Pekatuamenen Team Red. Dai should wait for Sissy to come out of base and catch him off guard. Mankaraka Muti, Blepi delete message pro. Oh, look at all those Mega Minions, just like I said. They are gonna do their own job trying to push the base. Oi Goku battery fee, hawk and battery na arpo percent. What do you slider? The charger don't already. What do you slider? Charger don't have to done, but not charge there. Yeah, not charge. Slider, no problem. Leo OP. Kertang widaka noob bang bang. Noob bang bang. Zakiro nongrang Leo kanga. Okay, a lot being charged by a team Nocturnal Legion. I guess they are fed up with this match because it's taking too long to finish. So they decided to take this lot, and they decided to go with the final push. But we have a disturbance coming from Art of Execution. There it is, lot is being disturbed, but the only thing is who's going to take down that lot. So we have Ixana has been taken down. We have Leomord finally managed to take down the lot. So we have Dushan has been taken down. If one or two more heroes from Art of Execution has been taken down, then we're going to be the final push coming in from Nocturnal Legion. So we have 3 heroes been taken down, which is Atlas, Gary, and Dushan. So we have 3 players from Nocturnal Legion as well who's been taken down. So Mega Minions are on their way inside the main base, and they're gonna push Sidion on the way trying to clear those minions. Lord is gonna come in from mid lane, and Lord is very strong now, so they have to watch out for Lord. So Lord is gonna come in with the final blow along with Hilda, along with Beatrix. Please stay backwards. Okay, there it is. The last hero remaining from Art of Execution has been taken down finally, and Hilda go by Sab. Hilda going directly inside the base because you already know that they are going to win. So that's a win for Nocturnal Legion, and congratulations. GG well played to Art of Execution for putting up a good fight. It's been 26 minutes match. So OP match from both the teams here. So it's almost 11:30. And it's getting late, so we have to start the next match as soon as possible. So it's going to be the last match. Stay tuned, we will be right back. Please make sure to share the stream, like and subscribe. Let's get to how many likes we have got now. We have got 41. Let's get to 50 likes before next match starts. Okay, we will be right back. Stay tuned.
they try to change, you can say no, free me.
So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft. You can change lives. You create thoughts. Never waste time. You got one shot. You got one life. Better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5. No mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way. What I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they're scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try to change, you can say no, free me. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me.
Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less. Your check is I'm chess, what's happening next? Yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they're scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try to change, you can say no, free me.
So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft. You can change lives. You create thoughts. Never waste time. You got one shot. You got one life. Better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5. No mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way. What I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they're scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try to change, you can say no, free me. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me.
Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less. Your check is I'm chess, what's happening next? Yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they're scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try to change, you can say no, free me.
So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay.
Ni habdi biri shano la ni na do menang kham di biri ra na do menang kham shem biri break ra imat din ta da kala long no ni kala long ngaso bra kerbet la terendang ru Vix di Vix na ju don Vix ra bro ban nga don tang biri break bro ban nga te Okay, yakes swasi pang bat isamla sa jam rendang. Yo samla na bro ngam don samla ra. Don samla ra bro nga. Sa rendang fi par sa obbit par. Sa obbit par gitu. Ni ngani le ban kan kham ski no la ma so ba si pen poi 50 likes pim sinai re nga ngala kani ngala karkat na du man na kawairu mo ya dan kawin ya dan mano na phi ki bam patip ya ka ai ka ya komno ban support ya ki streamer kono ban support yang ngi ki ba streamer pila ban support yang aru kawai kalong ba pila ban join membership ka tu ba pm tu channel ba tho subscribe pm tu po ba tho join pila ban click tu join pin I ki plan ba support am sisian si banai ma kitu ka batat do de ar phundai dang don shu kitu ki ba ki kios ki ka dorte pila ban lek tu bar phundai tingka na pila ban lek ba khamram na pila ban lek ba preng ka dor katan ka wei ka long ban support ma so ka ba ar ka man support ka long ba pila ban use di super chat button ha po pi yang ti dollar sign ha po pi to ban ayo pila ban use itu ru ban support yang a ka wei ru ban support pi nam tu ha po overlay pi am tu number ba tho tu number ha po stream tu di number gp jang a pila ban support yang a da ba pha directly na tu ru kamile da pim ya laru andre tang ba pila ya like subscribe saru tang taru ngala suhun ma pila like subscribe share kata kadai kawai ka ba kamien ma barang kama tinga suang la da don mono ki bakwa bana extra support te kitu ki de kijing patai jongai pisia baro ya don mono ki bang pa ya tip ma ka rukom ya jong ki support apa ka YouTube bapun support yang ki ba stream ki ba ma tangatahi te kani ka last match jong takas ni te kala khamslam nomor baki tiki match ki ba mane first second third ki match ki bala takat sha ki bala net slam ha te menta kala po hidup ka wish tang hadu binghap ni kala slam sha ka match te kani ka match apreng jong ka khasi barbarians bat ka OPMS te sakalang ka diang don ka khasi barbarian bat sakalang ka mon don ka OPMS ma nakrat ban biri break la nakrat ban biri break nakran pen ban makalai chat na du mana naklam biri break piam ngala kale ba la ngap tip ra pre ngalong tip light du kan ne patre biri mana ni light tar se la ja kita pa la ja
Papa and Kupa are the best partners in the world.
Light will fall prey to shadow. My blood boils until the day I die.
ngam ong su ki hero ma philai pe yang tu phila te phi try ki de ki hero yu long ngai le ban reduce ka jingkran te bangadang break tam te philai tu hi ki hero ki pe yu phisa blai la ka mal te daran kam su ra ban batai ma ki hero te ngan su batai ta ki team captain te do or what u assistant captain naka khasi barbarians te genius team captain naka OPMS te ka blue team kadai ka khasi barbarian but ka red team kadai ka OPMS ma te ni don u hyper yen naka khasi barbarian but ni don u hyper balmon naka team naka team jong OPMS menepat laduna kijiwa shortcut carry. So we have an early push coming in from Atlas. Okay, let's zoom out and increase the screen size so that we can see most of the fight happening in the map. Go OPMS. Okay, shortcut carry supporting for OPMS. We've seen some supporters for khasi barbarians as well previously on the live chat. So we've had the supporters from both the squads here. Red X OPMS will win. So look at Kagura managed to take some damage, and there is Yin with the first blood against OPMS, and Luoyi has been taken down inside Yin's ultimate. So we have Esmeralda is being ganked up by two players from khasi barbarians. So we have Yin also going to join in the fight. Esmeralda is going to manage to fall back from the fight. So Franco missed that hook. Lol, don't predict. Yes, don't predict, because you know, prediction is very bad. Prediction is very bad. If you predict that the team will win, then it's going the other way, right? As we've seen in the previous matches, most of the supporters were saying that that team will win, but instead it's going the other way around. So you know, most of the teams we've seen are coming in with an epic comeback. So we have a turtle charge coming in from OPMS here. I hope they win too. Yes, we can only hope, right? We can only hope. There's a turtle being taken down by Dalmon from team OPMS. The first blood has been taken down by khasi barbarians previously, and no kills yet after that first blood. So OPMS still with no kills, and we have ka screen break ni kala huri-hura ka screen ka samthya ka screen ku dai. Only problem is mage go in front and tank is behind. Lol. Yes, that's right. Yes, bro. Yes. Kadai. KB, Dead Prophet. So we have Purple Kupa is gonna die there. It is a combination with Moskov and Balmon in top lane. But Moskov has been taken down, and Purple Kupa has been taken down. Balmon has been taken down inside Yin's ultimate. Hello, Paya Doling. Hello, bro. Hello. Wrong move, JN. Shortcut. Carry. Most of the prediction have gone wrong. Yes, most of the prediction have gone wrong in this tournament group stage since day one. Itu berang siawan buat stream deh lah tapi pia linggo boleh ngakran jajai kumnya boleh ngakran suki boleh ngolong touch ngolong pelot nomor ba nanti benda ang ngak terkat napik match first second third ngak terkat kum babiak takarang lah nok touch rendang dia ngamlok ban pressure tan untuk patare dia ngan yele ban keren ngam skam jar ban jar ka stream te kam jar tamalong ngan shukam cool down patte kasur ka voice jonga la samthi ken ka screen fee kala sokrai hokan seriously yin we Son Goku will win. This is the only prediction which will be true. We Son Goku will win. This is the only prediction which will be true. Pendap na san po like la kunya Israel di ne sa sa punyo. Mandenga nga Israel da sa punyo te. Mandenga mempat hit tu like kan ram la Allah hit no hi tam pendap sa po la. Tiche. O san po mo dong. Mandenga nga Israel sai ne bi sa punyo to la Israel sa punyo. So we have Argos there, very low on HP. You have another hero here, very low on HP from Khasi barbarians. And seems like Franco very low HP will be able to survive there. It is Franco and Argos are going to teleport back to base, regenerate their HP, and gonna join in the fight again. So we have a fight 2 versus 2 in bottom lane, Atlas and Esmeralda, and Yin along with Kagura. So we have Balmon also going to join in the fight, I guess, but he's still busy trying to take down those jungle minions. And we have Popol and Koopa still trying to clear those minions in top lane. We have Moskov waiting inside the jungle for Popol and Koopa to make a move. So we have Yin managed to take down, Yin has been taken down. So we have 4 kills for Khasi barbarians and 6 kills for OPMS. We have Argus gonna activate his ultimate and he's gonna fall back from the fight because he's getting low in HP. Lol, I don't see how is it wrong that I said OPMS will win. Who said you was wrong? Whatever. Okay, let's take a look at Atlas. Okay, he's been being in a fight with Yin and Yin managed to take down Atlas. You come over from wrong, bro. Ngiong ba ka prediction na hang po to naman kalong kam julong la ka kam tentang kam ju ya tra take bet ka prediction gan. Lang yung kata ka jing support le ke best bro support bet. Support yung OPMS, support yung Khasi barbarian, support bet. Long nak hakajing ong jongate ong ba ka prediction hakani ka tournament kipun be ki prediction long kita ki babun ba support de ki prediction ki long ki ya bet ko moy la kalong be the opposite karukam prediction. Wait, ngan shna extra account punyo 100 likes tang namar Son Goku oh bhai sab haram siat katate sispa ngot tela ade gipat ba khoi he sispa ngot ke ani benda dei khoi he sispa ngot labun telat da sispa ngot ke pilih shna account sispa ngot oh what a nice look from Franco has been taken up jayu ka wifi. Oh, look at Moscow. Myself. Only Franco still standing. I didn't even notice that 4 players from Khasi barbarians have been taken down, which is why only Franco is the only one who have to defend. So Moscow is taking that chance to take that top lane turret. I support this handsome host. Just watch Barbarian lose, that's all. Don't cry because I support OPMS and not Barbarian. Come on, peace out. That Prophet OP bro. I support this handsome horse. OP, bro. Thank you so much for your support, bro, as always. So we have another 3 heroes been taken down from khasi barbarians. So now we are going to see the final push coming from OPMS, maybe. So we have 9 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes match is still going on, and we have Lord being charged by Team OPMS, which is Esmeralda, Luoye, along with Balmon. So we have Moskov always hiding inside the bush, waiting for maybe Popol and Koopa exposing themselves outside of their position. So Lord is gonna go down, and Balmon managed to take down that Lord. Ani. Balai umla predict kane ka game namar kade strategy game, every move matters kade. Shortcut carry, that's my OP boyfriend. Who is your boyfriend, Shortcut carry? Who is your boyfriend? Come on, let's cheer up for your boyfriend. Cheer up for your boyfriend. Come on. Who is your boyfriend? Lamau, this topic is getting awkward. Those unreasonable reply on what I just said. Wow. This topic is getting awkward. Those unreasonable reply on what I just said. Very right, bro. Sometimes strategy long they don't come kati. Kadai kata tu. Baru he don't come, no? Karukom pick hero don't come. Karukom communication. Karukom lekai para team. Karukom combo. Okay, we have all 3 or 4 heroes been taken down from khasi barbarians. So now we are going to see the final push coming from OPMS, which is only Popol and Koopa is right there from khasi barbarians to defend. But sadly, it's very hard for her to defend, and OPMS coming in with a final blow against khasi barbarians, and that's a win for OPMS, and congratulations to OPMS, and GG well played for khasi barbarians. And that's it for tonight. We finish all the matches, and thank you so much everyone for your support as always since day 1, and now it's been day 6. Tomorrow will be day 7. And as always, thank you so much for all the likes, the subscription, the donations, super chat, everything. Okay, for all the shares, and for your time in watching the stream with each and every one of us. So good night, and we will see you guys again tomorrow at 9:30 p.m. onwards. So just wait, okay, don't go anywhere, wait, because I will update tomorrow's matches in the live chat. Okay, wait.
Soft, you can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life, better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss, just my life and free thoughts.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less. You check as I'm chess, what's happening next? Yeah.
He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill, no discretion. Your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep, move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me.
So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft. You can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life. Better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep, move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me.
Yeah.